Welcome to the guided meditation. To begin, you may want to make sure that there's no clothing that's too tight on your body. For example, your belt, or even shoes that are too tight, a wristwatch. If you're wearing glasses, you can remove your glasses. And to sit well, put your body in an upright posture so that your body structure supports itself. Sit upright in a way that you don't need to use muscle so that your whole body can relax. If you're sitting in a chair, it may help to sit towards the edge of the chair and not to lean back. Place your hands on your lap. Let your hands rest. Let your whole body rest. Let your body be still. If you notice any tension from holding the muscles tight, then just release. Especially relax the eyes, the muscles of the face, and relax the shoulders and the arms. Relax the chest, the upper back, not pushing out the chest. And relax the abdomen. Have a relaxed attitude, just accepting whatever you experience. Let your feelings and thoughts come and go, pleasant or unpleasant. Just let feelings and thoughts flow without trying to do anything with them. Just accept whatever you experience. With a relaxed body and mind, just be aware of yourself sitting there. Just be aware of yourself sitting, relaxed. There's nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just being content with right here, right now. Take a break from thinking, problem solving. Just let go of all your worries and experience the feeling of your body sitting right there. You don't need to focus on any particular feeling. You don't need to focus on the thoughts that go through the mind. Just experience sitting. Just relax and enjoy sitting.